This is by far the best way to use up your scrap denim because look at these wings. Aren't they the coolest thing you ever seen in your life? Look at this heart. Adorable. You actually have to make this. I'm not even joking. I've been meaning to make them for a hot minute and I've been like postponing it because it felt a bit too difficult and annoying to deal with. But actually, it was very simple, very quick. I made them in half an hour and I'm probably gonna make like 10 more because I mean, how can I not? Okay, let me show you how I made them. Scrap of the day is the bottom of a skirt that was too long on me, so we cut her off. And I folded it in half to make 2 equal pieces. I measured where I want the piece to sit and then marked it with chalk because it's easy to rub off. Then I drew out a very basic wing shape. I was aiming for a bat, although I forgot what an anatomically correct bat wing looks like, so we're just gonna trust the process. Once I was happy with it, I pinned it together so that it doesn't wiggle around while I cut it out. And that gives us 2 identical bat wing pieces. To make the pieces more sturdy, I used iron-on interfacing, which is exciting because it was my very first time using it and I quickly got obsessed with it. It's going to be my new favorite toy to play with. Anyway, I traced the wings on it and then I downsized it by like ½ centimeter so that it doesn't poke out of the denim when I sew it together. It's very simple to use. You just iron on high heat and they get stuck together and it makes the fabric a lot more sturdy. The denim by itself is very thin and flabby so the wings wouldn't stay up properly. But if you don't want to use interfacing, you can just add any thick fabric in between the pieces and it would do the job as well. After I was done with the interfacing, I just put the pieces wrong sides together and I sewed all around the wing to make an outline. To make it a bit more bat wing-like, I did add 2 extra lines going from the middle of the top of the wing into the corners of the bottom of the wing, like this. But it still looked kind of weird, so I decided to add a 3rd line to make it a bit more balanced. Then I measured where I want the holes for shoelaces to go and I marked it with a chalk. And I used it as a template for the other wing. I decided to use these eyelets for the holes, although I don't really think you have to because the denim is thick enough, especially if you used interfacing. The hole itself was very difficult to make with multiple tools. So for the future, I will not be using these eyelets because they are so annoying. I have personal deep hatred for these tiny little eyelets because they're the most annoying thing to install, and the bottom of these eyelets never get installed properly. They always get stabby and annoying, but because they're going on shoes, it doesn't really matter, I suppose, because they won't stab me. So I used them up on this project and I think it turned out really pretty. Very pretty, very cute. This is what they look like so far, and they're the coolest thing I've ever made in my life. I'm calling it right now. Coolest thing, but I am not known for knowing when to stop, so we have to add more detail. I had this red denim, and red goes with everything in my closet, so it was perfect. Since I have this lover girl theme going for me, I decided to cut out these 2 hearts, and then I cut them in half to make it a bit more edgy, emo kind of vibe. I used fabric glue to glue them on to keep them a bit more steady and secure. And then I hand stitched it with white thread to match the stitching on the wing. I made 2 versions of this. One I stitched all around, and the other one I stitched just the cut part. I'm not sure which one I prefer. I kind of love both. I kind of love that they're both different, but let me know which one you prefer, because I feel like the one that I stitched all around looks a little bit too busy, but I could use a second opinion. I did add one little extra detail to match the wings and the hearts on the wings. So I cut out 2 denim hearts and I sewed them together with no interfacing, no nothing. I suffered through another eyelet just for this. Isn't she the prettiest little detail you've ever seen in your life? I love her. And here she is at her full glory. If you need more ideas on how to use up your scrap fabrics, I do have a whole playlist full of accessories made completely from scraps. Let me know what other tutorials you would like to see. Leave a like to support the channel if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to see my future projects, and I hope I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.